Hello everyone and welcome back to Nitro Cubing. Today, I'm going to be showing you more advanced and intermediate F2L techniques. So let's get into it. Also, my first tip is going to be more of a beginner intermediate tip. If you don't know Beginner's Intuitive F2L, then I'll link that in the description. If I can link something in the description. So let's get into it. So we're using Beginner's Intuitive F2L and we're going to pair up the blue and red. So there are 3 steps to the Beginner's Intuitive way. The first step is putting both pieces into the top layer. The next step is to separate them. And then use an intuitive algorithm to solve that F2L pair. But that is slow. So you want to try to get some skips. So as you can see when it is R, U prime, R prime, make sure you also know notation. You see that these two are not separated. But you should know that, let's say you do a U and then R, U prime, R prime. They are separated. Or even better, you could do something like, it needs a rotation, L prime, U prime, L, which sets up into an easy 3-move insert. And that is also, I think, the most advanced way of solving it, and the one I usually use. So now let's get into, 6 specific F2L simple intuitive algorithms that literally immediately made me sub 20, or sub 25. I'm not joking. Just 6 simple intuitive algorithms will make you fast. So I'm going to be showing those now. Let's get into it. So all of these cases are with the edge, the F2L edge in one of the F2L edge slots. So you want to bring the corner above the F2L edge. And we're starting with the cases with the cross sticker, white, yellow, orange, anything, on top. So the first case is when you put it on top, it makes an F2L pair. These 2 stickers are matching. So then you could do an R, you do R prime, U prime, and then whatever insert you like. You could do an inverse lefty or a hedge slammer. If you don't know what an inverse lefty or a hedge slammer or a sledgehammer, whatever that is, then I do have a video on that, and I'm gonna see if I can link it in the description. But anyways, moving to the next case. You put the corner above the the edge, and but you see it does not make an F2L pair. These 2 stickers are not matching. A more beginner intermediate way of doing this would be 3 righties, but there's a faster way. That's 12 moves, or technically 11, because you don't have to do that last U prime. And there's a 8-move one. So you can just do a U, which moves it to the left side, a sledgehammer, R prime, F, R, F prime, and then do a U, rotate, or you can use F moves for the simple 3-move insert. To the next case we go. These next cases are with the cross sticker facing you. So make sure that the edge that you're gonna solve with, which is one of the F2L edge slots, is on the right of you, not the left, not in the back, but to the right. So you see that when the sticker, the cross sticker is facing you, and then these 2 stickers are matching, like on the side over here, then you do this simple intuitive algorithm, really basic. U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, whatever answer you like. You could do an inverse righty or a sledgehammer. Once again, if you don't know what a righty or sledgehammer or whatever that is, I have a video on that. Don't know why I reminded that again. Guess it was necessary. And then the next case, right. This is the exact same case. Make sure you have the edge on the right and the sticker facing you. Not like this or this, but like this. And you see that these two side stickers are not matching. You do something really similar. You do a U2, R, U prime, R prime, head slammer, or whichever insert you like. The head slammer is slightly more efficient, but then once you're trying to be sub 15, it honestly really depends. I'm going to talk about what that is in my sub 15 tutorial. Next cases, I'll show them. The next cases are with the sticker facing to the side here. Not here or facing you or on top, but on the sides. And you see that these two front stickers are the same. Then you do this basic like short algorithm, intuitive algorithm to set up into a 3-move insert. U, R, U prime, R prime, U2, 3-move insert. This is the exact same case, but these two front stickers aren't matching. So then you can rotate to this way so that this sticker is facing you, and then do something very similar to the algorithm I showed before the last one, which is like this. So you do U2, L prime, U prime, L, whatever insert you like. And speaking of whatever insert you like, also that's it for those cases. Honestly, if you saw my which hopefully you did, or at least my cueing patterns that everyone should know, like head slammers, sledgehammers, righty moves. You should use all kinds of sorts of ones for inserting. Don't always use the inverse righty. Instead, use sledgehammers too. They can sometimes even help in being faster. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, save. What else? See you in the next video. Bye! I'm tired of the cube escaping.